And the good thing, aside sa referral bonus mo na ma-enjoy mo, syempre, of course, may binary bonus ka pa, no? Kasi ipinasok mo ito sa weak leg mo. So as the system, nakita yung system yan, detected, automatic mayroon kang another $160 binary bonus. So another na naman yung aakyat sa'yo. So referral bonus goes to your main account for every product package repurchase. Referral bonus depends on the entry package. Enjoy recurring binary rewards every time under your network makes a repurchases, no? So yun ang kagandahan. So you don't need to have lot of multiple accounts, no? Dito tingnan mo lang kung saan yung weak leg mo, doon ka papasok. So yun ang kagandahan. Okay? So clear. So sa payout percentage natin, okay? So sa cash out 80%, no? Lahat ng income natin diyan 80% cash out, pwede mo ma-withdraw. Okay? Then sa capping natin, that's 10%. And by the way, since ang capping naman i-encode naman yan, so actually mawi-withdraw mo pa rin yan, no? 80 tsaka yung 10%, waiting lang ito until sa time na ma-encode siya, pera pa rin yan, no? And itong last is yung redemption. So we have this 10% redemption because we believe, no, as we do this business, we must be a product of our own product. Tama po ba? Dahil marami pong akong nakikita na in this industry, talagang grabe kung makabenta, ang galing. Pero sila mismo hindi nagtitake ng product, no? Kaya minsan tinatamaan ng sakit dahil mismo sila hindi nagtitake ng product. Kaya we must be a product of our own product. So kailangan talagang meron ka ring pang-maintain mo. So yan. So we allotted the 10% sa redemption, no? Total of 100%. Okay. Last but not the least, our leadership bonus reward. And this leadership bonus reward, add-on na lang to, no? Kumbaga, as you enjoy the first to fourth way to earn, you will enjoy, as you enjoyed that one, no? As you accumulated your income, no? Pwede mo ring itong ma-enjoy itong leadership bonus reward. And guess what? Ang kagandahan ng leadership bonus reward natin, wala po itong time frame. So it is accumulative siya, no? So based on the income accumulation. Okay? So how it goes, ganito siya, no? So for example, yung income mo, total income mo sa referral at saka sa binary mo, it accumulated up to 2,500. Kaya nga dito talagang lahat ng reward bonuses natin, as you, kumbaga, habang tumatagal ka, lalong sumasarap dahil you will enjoy these reward bonuses, no, na nasa system po natin, no, and with our company. So pag nasa 2,500 ka na accumulative income, mayroon ka lang 2 Infinity Direct, no, either kahit na nag-umpisa sila sa light, no, nag-upgrade din, 2 Infinity Direct, then yung rank mo, magiging Quartz Ambassador ka. By this time, pag mag-Quartz Ambassador ka na, okay? Pag mag-Quartz Ambassador ka na, you will enjoy this reward, 15,000 peso gadget, plus meron kang $50 na product redemption reward, then plaque. Okay? Plaque, may plaque ka, no? From 2,500, naging, syempre, hindi na yan mapipigilan kasi once you've started having an income, yung network mo nag-grow na, yung income mo, it grows also, no? So from 2,500 naging 5,000 na accumulation. This time around, meron kang direct sponsor na 6 Infinity Direct, no? You will be ranked as Amethyst Builder. As Amethyst Builder, no? Na-enjoy mo na yung 15,000 na gadget. So dito, pag Amethyst Builder ka na, you will enjoy also this local travel. It's either El Nido or Boracay. So it's up to you then to choose kung ano yung gusto mo. 4 days and 3 nights with $150 product redemption plus plaque. Okay? So from 5,000, nag-accumulate na yan ng 10,000. This time around, you will be ranked as Emerald Manager. Pag Emerald Manager ka na, no? Okay? So meron kang 60,000 down payment for your car plan. You could choose, it's either Mirage or etc. May mga bago na ngayon ng mga electric cars. So basta yan yung allotted budget natin, okay? Then $300 na product rewards plus plaque. Okay. So from 10,000 naging 25,000 ha. So Sapphire Executive, Sapphire Executive. So ito yung malupit. So you will have a chance to have a trip to Thailand. And this is good for 2. Okay? Excuse me. Okay. So trip to Thailand good for 2. 5 days and 4 nights. Product redemption 500 redemption rewards plus plaque. Okay. So pag 20 sa 25,000 nag-accumulate na ng 50,000. This time around you will be ranked as a Ruby Crown. Then as Ruby Crown you will enjoy Japan or South Korea good for 2. 6 days and 5 nights. So with 1,000 product redemption plus plaque and pin. Then Diamond Supreme, so 100,000, no? So this time your reward, ang ma-enjoy mo, you will enjoy, you have hindi ito lahat ha, kumbaga choose ka lang dito, pili ka lang, no? It's either Rolex, no? May Rolex, Louis Vuitton, Balenciaga or Hermes, no? So pili ka lang dyan. So kung ano yung gusto mo, then ang kagandaan dito, no, may product redemption ka pa na 2,500 plus plaque and pin, no? So yan, no? And of course, as what we have said kanina, no, we're doing this kumbaga opportunity we have with LifeMax as a partnership between the distributors or the leaders, no? Kaya habang tumatagal, talagang tinitingnan natin yung partnership natin. That's why as you grow your network, your income, no, you will be ranked here as a junior shareholder. Okay? So as meron kang 200,000 accumulation, you will be ranked as junior shareholder. So this time around, you have a company share plus of course bibigyan ka po ng down payment for your